Hello, another trade recap here on NQ this time. So it's Monday, New York session. We just opened recently and I just finished this trade. So let's get right into it. So one of the first things that I was watching already from Friday was after we had this big displacement to the back into this discounted area, I was watching to see if price is going to react out of any of these fair value gaps. So on the 4 hour, we have this imbalance here, this fair value gap, and we have this extreme one. So what I was watching was this low here, right? As we close on Friday, we already create like a swing low formation here. So, and since then, we also create another fair value gap. So to me, this was quite a good confluence to make me long from here. So zooming in back into the 1 hour to see price a bit better, what we can see is that we already created some bullish price action here. We had this strong displacement to the upside. We had this volume balance here, and we left also another 1 hour fair value gap. So all this to long from. And one of the main reasons why I decided to take this long, because at first when I opened my computer, the price action looked a bit bearish, right? So I will explain right away. So one of the things that I was looking at was this 15-minute gap. So keeping in mind that we're already bullish, we're already displacing from this volume balance, from this 4 hour gap right here, and also this newer 1 hour gap here. So what I was watching was this candle on the 15-minute as we were in this current fair value gap. I was watching whether the candle was gonna close outside, right? Disrespect this fair value gap, or gonna close inside, which we end up doing, right? We close inside, and as soon as we do this, I was really watching price on the 1 minute to see if we have some displacement. As soon as I see that, okay, we close back into the gap and we start displacing to the upside, I immediately look for a way to enter, because what happened was that as soon as New York opened, price manipulate below these lows, right, into this volume balance again, and then we displace, right? And I was expecting no retracements from here because all this area was worked, keeping in mind that we're still in the 4 hour gap. We took these lows. There was no reason to really expect another retracement or another raid here at this low. So as soon as we close above this inversion gap, I put my entry, right? Put my stop in this most recent low, and I was targeting all this buy side liquidity here. So a lot of highs, a lot of liquidity that needed to be mitigated. So yeah, there was a really clean trade here, really quick price delivery. I think all the trade took like 15 minutes. So yeah, really good trade for Monday, almost 2.5 hour. Thanks for watching, guys.